Hello again everybody, Alan Steady here with Firewalls.com. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can install your Sophos XG Firewall certificate onto your Windows computer. If you have a Mac, hang in there through downloading the SSL certificate, then you'll want to see the couple of steps included below in the comments section. So, if you have enabled or are planning to configure HTTPS inspection without the trusted certificate, your web browser will prompt you with a warning message looking just like these guys here, indicating that our connection is not private. In our example here, this is occurring for both calendar.google.com as well as Facebook. So in our example here, something like Google may have some legitimate use, whereas something like Facebook may not be. So if you've already enabled your HTTPS inspection within your web filter policy, your users may think that you have literally now broken the internet. They can't get out, they can't go anywhere, they're going to come to you complaining. So to fix this, we need to import our Sophos Firewalls SSL CA Certificate, which will then create the trust so we can achieve our HTTPS deep packet inspection. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and jump over into our Sophos XG Firewall, and I'll show you where we can download our SSL CA Certificate. First, we'll want to go ahead and log into the firewall. Okay, here in our web admin and our navigation bar, we'll want to come down here to certificates and select our certificate authority. And shipped with every Sophos XG firewall is our default security appliance SSL CA. Go ahead and select the download button. Okay, we can see our certificate has been downloaded now. So what we'll need to do is pull up our certificate center to go ahead and import our certificate. So what you'll do here, if you're using a Windows computer, is you'll just run a search for MMC. Our Microsoft Management Console will come up. Go ahead and shrink this down here. Okay, so here in our console, what we'll first want to do is select File and Add Remove Snap-in. Select our certificates here. And we want to select the computer account. Go ahead and say Next. Leave it there on our local computer is fine, and we'll select Finish. So we can see now that we've added our certificates over here into our snap-ins. So we'll go ahead and say OK. And then coming over here in our console root, we can see we have certificates here now. So what we'll need to do is import this into our trusted root CA. Go ahead and right click it. And under here, under all tasks, we'll select import. And we'll just go ahead and say next here in our wizard and browse for our certificate. If you're not already configured to view all file types here, you'll have to come down and select our all files, and we're looking here for our security appliance certificate. We'll go ahead and click next, and it already knows where we want to store our new certificate. Go ahead and say next again, and complete the certificate import by selecting finish. Alright, our import was successful. We'll also want to import this into our intermediate certificate authorities folder. Again, go ahead and right click this, all tasks, and import. Next, we're going to go ahead and browse to the location of our file. Next, and again it already knows that we're wanting to store this in our intermediate certificate authorities folder. So we'll just go ahead and say next here again, and finish. Okay, so our certificate has been successfully imported now in both of those certificate authority folders. So let's go ahead and minimize this now, and we can go ahead and reload our pages. We can see that we now have access to our Google Calendar. Okay, and we'll go ahead and reload our Facebook page over here, where we could see that our administrator has elected to block Facebook, where we could see that our Sophos XG Firewall is giving us this nice block message indicating to our user that this has been blocked because it's a security risk, and you as the administrator of course can determine whether or not you're going to block, warn, or allow based on our predetermined web categories or custom web categories within your web protection profiles. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us the thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're notified of future video releases, and come check us out at Firewalls.com. Get secure, stay secure. Thanks for watching.